Running a business can be overwhelming. Long hours, endless to-do lists, and constant decision-making drain your energy and slow your growth. But what if you could automate most of your tasks in just 1 week? Imagine a system that works for you 24/7, answering emails, handling marketing, managing finances, and even engaging customers, all powered by AI. The best part: you don't need to be a tech expert. With today's AI tools, automation is easier and more accessible than ever. Whether you run an online store, a coaching business, or a freelancing gig, you can set up an automated system that saves time and increases profits. This is a step-by-step, 7-day plan to automate your business using AI. Each day focuses on a different aspect of automation, from customer support to content creation and financial management. By the end of the week, your business will be running smoother than ever with less manual effort from you. Let's dive in. Day 1. Automating customer support. Customer inquiries can pile up fast, and answering the same questions repeatedly wastes time. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can handle this for you. The first step is setting up an AI chatbot on your website or social media platforms. Tools like chat-based bots, Drift, or Tidio can respond to common questions, book appointments, and even process orders. Day 2. AI-powered content creation. Creating content is time-consuming, but it's essential for marketing and brand awareness. AI tools can generate blog posts, social media captions, video scripts, and even full-fledged articles. Start by using AI writing assistants like Chat, Jasper, or Copy.ai. These tools can create engaging blog posts, email newsletters, and even product descriptions in minutes. Simply provide a topic, some key points, and let the AI do the work. Day 3. Automating lead generation and sales. Manually finding and qualifying leads is exhausting. AI can help by automating prospecting, follow-ups, and even closing sales. Use AI-powered CRM systems like HubSpot or Pipedrive to track customer interactions, automate email follow-ups, and personalize outreach messages. These platforms can analyze customer behavior and suggest the best time to contact potential clients. Day 4. Automating task and project management. Managing tasks and keeping projects on track is challenging, especially if you have a team. AI-powered project management tools simplify the process. Use AI-enhanced platforms like ClickUp, Asana, or Trello to automatically assign tasks, set deadlines, and send reminders. AI features can prioritize tasks based on urgency and workload, ensuring efficiency. Day 5. AI-driven financial management. Tracking expenses, sending invoices, and managing cash flow takes a lot of time. AI can automate these financial tasks to improve accuracy and efficiency. Use AI-powered accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks to categorize expenses, generate reports, and even file taxes automatically. These tools sync with bank accounts, reducing manual data entry. Day 6. Automating customer engagement and retention. Keeping customers engaged leads to higher retention and repeat sales. AI can automate personalized communication at scale. AI-driven email marketing platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit can send personalized emails based on customer behavior. AI analyzes data to determine the best time to send promotions, follow-ups, or re-engagement emails. Day 7. Scaling and optimizing with AI analytics. Once your business is automated, it's time to optimize. AI-driven analytics provide deep insights into performance and customer behavior. Use AI-powered analytics tools like Google Analytics for Tableau or Zoho Analytics to track website traffic, sales conversions, and customer behavior. AI detects patterns and suggests improvements. AI heatmap tools like Hotjar show how users interact with your website, helping you optimize for better conversions. For ad campaigns, AI-powered platforms like AdZuma or WordStream can automatically adjust bids, target the right audience, and optimize spending for better results. By the end of Day 7, you'll have a fully automated system running with AI, continuously optimizing for better performance. Final thoughts: the future of AI in business automation. AI isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer. Businesses that embrace automation stay ahead of competitors, reduce costs, and maximize profits. What once took weeks of effort can now be accomplished in days with AI-powered systems. With your business now running on AI automation, you'll have more freedom, You can focus on growth strategies, creative projects, or even take a break without worrying about operations. The future belongs to businesses that work smarter, not harder. Those who leverage AI today will dominate their industries tomorrow. The best part: AI keeps improving, meaning your business will only get more efficient over time. Now that you know how to automate your business in just 7 days, the only question is, are you ready to take action? AI isn't coming, it's already here. The sooner you embrace it, the sooner you'll enjoy a stress-free, scalable business that practically runs itself. Top of form, bottom of form.